Question 1. Dr. Mitchell performed a complicated surgery that saved the young patient's life yesterday afternoon. Question 2. Nurses monitored vital signs carefully throughout the night to ensure proper recovery progressed smoothly. Question 3. The emergency room handled multiple accidents during the storm with remarkable efficiency and skill. Question 4. Medical students observed experienced doctors treating various illnesses to gain practical knowledge quickly. Question 5. The pediatric ward decorated rooms with cheerful murals to comfort frightened children during treatment. Question 6. Hospital volunteers delivered flowers and magazines to patients recovering from surgery every morning. Question 7. Advanced medical equipment allowed doctors to diagnose rare diseases with incredible precision and accuracy. Question 8. The pharmacy staff prepared prescriptions carefully while explaining medication instructions to worried families. Question 9. Rehabilitation specialists designed exercise programs helping injured athletes regain strength after accidents. Question 10. The cafeteria served nutritious meals following strict dietary guidelines for patients with allergies. Question 11. Laboratory technicians analyzed blood samples using sophisticated microscopes to identify dangerous infections. Question 12. Paramedics rushed critical patients through traffic while administering life-saving treatment continuously. Question 13. The maternity ward celebrated 50 births last month with special ceremonies for grateful parents. Question 14. Psychiatrists provided counseling sessions for patients struggling with anxiety and depression after trauma. Question 15. Security guards maintained order during visiting hours while ensuring everyone followed safety protocols. Question 16. The radiology department discovered tumors using advanced imaging technology that detected minuscule abnormalities. Question 17. Surgeons practiced delicate procedures repeatedly before attempting the revolutionary operation on twins. Question 18. Administrative staff coordinated appointments efficiently while managing insurance claims and billing inquiries daily. Question 19. The cardiac unit monitored heart rhythms constantly using specialized equipment that prevented complications. Question 20. Physical therapists taught patients essential exercises for regaining mobility and independence after strokes. Question 21. The intensive care unit provided round-the-clock monitoring for critically ill patients requiring constant attention. Question 22. Research teams tested experimental medicines that showed promising results against resistant bacterial infections. Question 23. The hospital received national recognition for outstanding patient care and innovative medical procedures. Question 24. Janitors sanitized rooms thoroughly using special disinfectants that eliminated harmful bacteria completely overnight. Question 25. Dr. Mitchell retired after 40 years of dedicated service that transformed countless lives forever.